It's 2 a.m. again. I said I'd be fine by now. Told all my friends I'd let you go. Packed up the memories, burned the clothes, but somehow they still smell like home. I keep your number just in case, even though I know it's wrong. I trace the silence in your name, like it's where I still belong. Every little thing reminds me of nights we said would never end. Now I'm talking to your ghost again. I miss you more than I should. Why does it still feel so good? I miss you more than I should. Tell me why I'm still so hooked. I miss you more than I should. Can't let go like I know I could, but I don't, but I don't, but I don't. I miss you more than I should. I light up fast when you say my name. Don't you feel it? This is not a game. It pulls me in. I lose control. You're in my head, you're in my bones. It's only you that I come back to. No one else gets what you pull me through. You stay in focus when the room fades out. I don't say much, but I'm loud about it. Don't walk away, don't cut it short. I'm still right here at your front door. I light up fast when you say my name. Your jacket's still here on the back of my chair, like you never left, like you're still there. I hear you laugh from the next room. Simple and real, it pulls me through. Hold on, stay close, say it out loud. We don't break easy, we don't back down. It's better than we've been. I hand you the keys, you walk through the door. Kick off your shoes, leave them on the floor. Pull me in close, say nothing at all. The room feels right when you're in it all. I've waited long enough. I don't want maybe. If I give you all of me tonight, will you wake up next to me? I've waited long enough. No more halfway. If I leave my heart with you tonight, will you leave yours with me? 1,000 plans for everything. Booked a flight in my head instead. Now it's noon again and I'm still in bed. Maybe tomorrow, maybe tomorrow. I say it every night. Maybe tomorrow, maybe tomorrow, maybe tomorrow. The whole world keeps moving, I'm still in bed. Oh, not today. Oh, I drift away. Same old thread. Oh, stuck in bed. If you think of me the way I think of you, if those memories still make it through, if you ever miss the life we knew, you know where I'll be waiting for you. I keep coming back to the same old thought. Maybe what we had isn't really gone. I keep coming back no matter what I do. Every road I take still